Attention West Coast, California, Oregon, Washington. We are now available for nationwide consultation and or installation. If you cannot find a local contractor that has a believable price and that you trust, please contact us directly. Florida, office 321-200-0685 or Charlotte, 704-336-9111. We'd be happy to travel. Yes, there are some associated costs. Remember, we're based in Charlotte and Florida, but I know that our install price will blow the others away. Recent travels include Pine Island, Florida, Mobile, Alabama, Dallas, Texas, and as far north as Washington, D.C. All of these people really felt assured that their job was done right, and the most amazing thing was, even with our travel cost, our total installation was thousands less than the quotes they received from local contractors. We also offer video consultation via Skype, just $50 per session. We can answer any question, help with planning, how to install, materials, and cost. To date, we have done over 1,000 of these consults, and all the consults have had great impact and helped save time and money for the do-it-yourself homeowner. So if you're serious about solving your drainage problem, please check the website for out-of-state installs. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.